Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You are highly welcome to Shito's Mathematics Coaching Program. Before the commencement of today's lecture, I urge every one of you should kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the subscribe button. Hit on the bell to get the notifications when I drop my new videos. So today we are going to look at a topic, distance between 2 points. So now we are talking about 2 points here. So what do I really mean by the points? So I mean, when we have 2 points on a Cartesian plane, that is XY plane. Let's say I have this. This is my Cartesian plane. We call this Cartesian plane, or we call it XY plane, or Cartesian plane, or Cartesian plane. So if I have this is Y axis, and this is what this is X axis. So now on this plane, now if I have 2 points on this plane, let's say I have a point here. Let's say the point should be B, and this should be A. So I have what? I have another point here. Let this point to be B. Are you getting it now? So you know that in a Cartesian plane, a point, you understand, constitute with what? With 2 values, that is coordinates. We call the coordinates X and Y. So we have ordered pair. Are you getting what I'm saying now? So what I'm trying to say here, these points come about of this from X and this from Y. Are you getting it now? So from here, this is what is X and this is what? This is Y. So in ordered pair, so we try to put the value of X first and the value of Y to be the next. So now also look at this one now. This point is constituted by what? By this point from X and this from what? From Y. Can you see that? So this one also we have X, Y. Are you getting it now? So what am I trying to say now is that if you now want to know the distance between these points in this Cartesian plane, so what do you want to do? So you now measure, you use your ruler, that is your meter rule, measure this. So I need this what? I need this side. Understand? So I need this. So now what do? What's the formula? So that is what we want to do today. Again, so we can derive the formula of what? Of 2 points. Understand? Or to find the formula of distance between 2 points in what? In the Cartesian plane by using Pythagoras what? Pythagoras rule. So from there you can see that if you try to extend this one like this, are you getting it? So from here to here I have x1 and I have x2 here, because this is what? This is x axis. I have what? I have y1 here, then I have y2 here. This is what? This is y axis. So from here, from the law, you understand, you can see that this is what? This will actually be this. So now to know this one now, this will actually be x2 minus x1. I get in the distance, because we want to know the distance from here to here. So this is what we have. Then the distance from here to here, you can see that this from here is same thing as this from here. So this will be y2 minus y1. Now by Pythagoras theorem, so what I'm trying to say here is that by Pythagoras theorem, so you can see that if you want to know this what? This line AB. Okay, let me call this one to be A. So this what? This line AB. Okay, let me call this one to be A. Let me call this one to be C. So now if I want to get this one now, so you can see that by Pythagoras rule, I can have this. That is, I need my AB. My AB square will now be equals to the, this one is what? This one is right angle, triangle. Are you getting it now? So my AB square, because this is what? This is the hypotenuse square, will be equals to the square of the other side, that is BC and what? And AC squared. Are you getting what I'm doing now? So from here I have my AB square to be equals to, what's my BC? BC, like BC is y2 minus y1 all square plus my AC is what? X2 minus x1 all square. Are you getting it now? So why am I having x1, x2, x1, x2? If you look at this one now, you can see you are starting from here. Let's say you want to measure from A to B. Therefore, this will be initial what? Initial point. So I have x1 here, I have y1 here. So this is what? This is terminal point. That is where we are going to. So we have this and we have this. So x to y2. Are you getting it now? So now to know our AB now, AB, by taking the square root of both sides, you can see that we have what? We have y2 minus y1 all square plus x2 minus x1 all square. So you can see in some textbooks, so you can have what? You can have these x terms first before this. It's all the what? It's all the same thing. Are you getting it now? So now, from what we did, this is what? This is the practical and what? And standard form of 2 points. That is the standard form of distance of 2 points in what? In a Cartesian plane. Let's say we are given this, that is, find the distance between A 2, 3 and what? B, we have what? 5, what? 5, 2. Can you see that? So now from here, these are the points we want to look for their distance. Understand? We want to look the distance from here to here on what? On our Cartesian plane. Are you getting it? So now to do this one now, you just write, so since we are coming from A, if you like you come from what? From B. So here will be x1, okay? This one will be what? This one will be y1. This will be s2, and this will be what? y2. So now, what's the next thing to do? The next thing to do is just come here to get your AB. Your AB will be, your AB will now be, AB will be square root of, you can see we have y2. We want to use the formula. So I have my y2 here. So I will be having 2 minus, where is my y? Because this is y2, that's my y1. My y1 is here, 3 all square plus, where is my, because I have x2 here, where is my x2? X2 is 5, I have 5. And also minus x1, where is my x1? We have 2 here. Are you getting it? So I have my AB, that is AB, distance AB will be square root of what? Square root of 2 minus 3, have minus 1 all square plus 5 minus 2, I have what? I have 3 all square. Are you getting it now? So from here, I have this. Minus 1 square gives me 1 plus this 1 square, that is 3 square, I have what? I have 9. So this will be root of what? Root of 10. Can you see that? So therefore, the distance AB is what? Is root 10. That is all about that. That's how we find what? We find the distance between 2 points on the Cartesian plane, or you call XY plane. So from what I did, if you have any question to ask, kindly hit on the comment box and ask your question. So I'm here to give you the best answer to your request. So now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do that before it is too late. Are you getting it? Hit the bell also, so that anytime I drop my new videos, you'll be able to get it. You get the notifications and we move on. So I remain my humble self, Shitu. You understand? So you take good care of yourself. Bye.